Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.92. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 30% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -43% to -22%. When we examine the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period indicates a projected decrease of nearly 12%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a drop of over 66% to an increase of 132% within the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.02 and $41.30. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "Is Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock still a buy after falling by 5.22% on Tuesday?" The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price dropped by 5.22% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025. The price fell from $18.79 to $17.81. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.06%, reaching a low of $17.80 and a high of $18.70. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has experienced a loss of 0.72%. The trading volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, despite the decline in prices, potentially indicating an early warning sign. Consequently, the risk may slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 7 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $129,810,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 67.43%, or $36.87, below the 52-week high, and 77.56%, or $61.57, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024. When the price peaked at $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group surged to a 6-week high, largely driven by a substantial increase in its Bitcoin holdings, now valued at approximately $2 billion. This impressive accumulation, representing about 2/3 of the company's liquid assets, positions Trump Media as a significant player in the cryptocurrency space. The announcement of this massive Bitcoin treasury coincided with President Trump's signing of the Genius Act, which regulates stablecoins, a move that investors view positively. The market reaction suggests that investors are increasingly perceiving Trump Media not just as a social media platform through Truth Social, but as a proxy for cryptocurrency investment. In the short term, this bullish sentiment is likely to propel the stock price further as interest in Bitcoin rises, especially if it approaches record highs. However, in the long term, the success of Trump Media's diversified strategy, including further investments in Bitcoin and the recently filed trademarks for Truth Social AI, could determine its sustainability and profitability. Should the broader cryptocurrency market experience volatility, it could impact investor confidence and stock performance. Thus, while the immediate outlook appears promising, the ongoing developments within the crypto landscape and the company's strategic execution will be critical for maintaining upward momentum in DJT's stock price. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. The price-to-earnings ratio has been rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far it has risen by 2.36%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of 19.08 and 18.82. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 117 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 112 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 90 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.06%. In the last week, daily average volatility has been 4.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.74. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan executed another insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 18.945. In total, insiders have purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in these last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.89, reflecting a decrease of 5.15%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, indicating it should be considered a sell candidate. However, due to the potential for a turnaround, it may also be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might wait or accumulate shares as they monitor further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 29 cents and begin trading at $18.10. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.